Welcome to this short online course on Introduction to Web Scraping of Medical Plant Records using Beautifulsoup in Python for online database development by the computer-aided therapeutic discovery and design platform. My name is Martin, right? And what are the course outline? Outlines are four. The first one is the introduction to web scraping. The second is the importance of web scraping. The fourth is the methodology for web scraping. And the fifth will be the step-by-step procedure for web scraping of medical plants. And in this case, we'll be looking at the medical plant database of India, which is available at https://page/en/medical-plant-database. What is web scraping and what does it entail? By definition, web scraping is often referred to as web harvesting or data extraction. That is the automated process of extracting valuable information from websites. It involves sending HTTP requests to target website, passing the HTML data content, extracting the desired data, transforming it into a structured format like the CSV or the JSON, and storing it for further analysis. These techniques allows for the swift collection of large volumes of data which can be utilized for research, analysis, and decision making. So why web scraping? Why do we need to web scrap? Why is it very important? Number one reason for web scraping is the enhanced medical research. Is for enhanced medical research. By collecting comprehensive data sets, researchers can gather extensive data from medical plant websites, including information on plant species, their medical properties, their clinical trials, results, and their traditional uses. The second part is for improving patient care, that is for personalized medicine for patient feedback. The third one is the pharmacovigilance, that is monitoring the drug safety. The fourth is for supporting health initiatives. The fifth is for optimizing supply chain. The sixth is for enhancing market efforts. What are the importance of web scraping? Number one importance of web scraping is one is for data aggregation. The second is for real-time information. The third is for efficiency and speed. The fifth is for enhanced dataset quality, for identification of potential drug candidates, for support of machine learning and AI, for cost effectiveness, and for understanding molecular mechanism. So, and when we say data aggregation, what we mean by data aggregation simply means gathering vast amount of data on medical plants from various sources, including scientific database, research papers, online encyclopedias. Secondly is what we say the real-time information, that is, it enables researchers to access latest findings and updates on medical plants, ensuring that their drugs discovery efforts are based on the most current information. Third is the efficiency and speed. By automating your data gathering, web scraping saves significant amount of time and resources. Researchers can quickly gather and analyze large amount of data, accelerating the pace of drug discovery. Then another point or another why is the enhanced dataset quality, because when you scrap large amount of dataset from multiple data source, it allows researchers to cross-validate their data and information, and this can lead to more accurate or reliable data sets, which are very essential for effective computer-aided drug design. Then another part of the why is the identification of potential drug candidates. It helps in identifying potential drug candidates by extracting data on chemical composition, biological activities, and the traditional uses of medical plants. Then It's very important for cost effectiveness. Compared to the traditional method of data collection, web scraping is a cost effective solution. It reduces the need for extensive manual data entries and allowing researchers to focus on analysis and experimentation. Support for AI and machine learning, the large data set obtained from the various web scraping websites can be used to train different machine learning models and algorithms. This can then be used for prediction and leads to efficiency and safety of drugs candidates derived from different medical plans, enhancing efficiency along the way. So, and lastly is the understanding for understanding molecular mechanism. Web scraping can gather data on the molecular mechanism of actions of various plant compounds. This knowledge is vital for designing drugs that target specific biological pathways. So, what are the methods, or what is the method, or what are the methods used for web scraping? The number one method is the beautiful soup, which is available in Python. The second method is the Scrappy, while the third method is the Selenium. But for this course, we'll be looking at Beautiful Soup. And Beautiful Soup is a library that makes it easy to scrap information from web pages. It sits atop on XML or HTML parser, that is, thereby providing Pythonic idioms for iterating, searching, modifying the parse tree. And what are the key features of Beautiful Soup is helps in HTML and XML parsing. It helps in transforming data into tree transversal navigation. It helps in data extraction. It helps in search functionality, support for CSS, integrating with parsers and automatic encoding. So for this course, we'll be looking at three major Python libraries. We'll be looking at the request library, which we'll be installing for our hands-on class. The second will be the beautiful pandas, and the third will be the pandas itself. Beautiful soup, pandas, then the request. With this, we'll move to the second phase of the web scraping, which will be the hands-on part of coding. Thank you very much for listening.